Where?
Right here to the left.
Surprise!
Yeah! My golly, what the world?
You got all your kids here.
Good gosh, I sure have. Holy mackerel.
I'm doing the tourist thing.
Oh, really? Well, I'll be darned. Well, we've made the round.
Yeah, well, we figured we thought we'd surprise you on your return.
Yeah, Dave's over there trying to rescue the rest of my luggage.
Was he surprised?
I think he was flabbergasted. He was speechless.
He looked at me
Surprise, Daddy!
like, what are you doing here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody but the little fella.
Yes. So he's not doing so well.
Yeah, let's
Yeah. Well, do we need to get a cab to the hotel, or what do we want to do?
Yes.